2018 Camaro SS. We just did a muffler delete. We call it a Muffy D around here. Let's check it out. We have DJ. My fault.
What's wrong with you? Do I look like a
Like and subscribe. We have Gio over here spraying it down. I'm gonna have to beep all that out now. All right, let's check it out in the middle. No more farting around over here. This is all stock. We have the cats. That has a stock X pipe right here. And this is where we did all the work. We took out the muffler. It's this thing down here. And we put 2 pieces of pipe, hit him with the quad matte black tips. Looks good, yo. This thing got opened up a lot. So we're gonna fire it up for you guys. We're just spraying it down and checking for leaks right now. We're gonna bring it down and see how she sounds. Make sure to like and subscribe.